How to claim for emergency department on Medibank. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can claim for emergency department on Medibank. So how do you do this? I want you to know that if your cover includes a private emergency department benefit, you can claim for this as a hospital claim. But for you to do this, you have to be eligible. How can you be eligible? Your product must include a private emergency department benefit. Check your cover summary if you're not sure. All right, you have to ensure you have served any waiting period. You have to have an itemized receipt that is dated within the last 2 years, and you must submit the receipt and completed claims forms within 2 years of the date of service for benefits to be payable. All right, so once that is done, you can now go ahead and claim. So how do you claim? You can claim mainly through offline. All right, this is the best way to do this. So how do you do this? You have to download the claim form. Yes, download the claim form. Then once you download the claim form, fill it with your details. Once you fill this your details, fill in the member information and the requested claim information. The requested claim information is located under the claim type. So under the claim type, select hospital. Then sign and date the declaration at the bottom of the page. After that, attach all the necessary documents that is asked for, such as the invoice, receipt, etc. Then you submit. To submit this, post your completed claim form and documents to Medibank medical and extras claims. Just post it there and then you would get your response. Or alternatively, you can submit your completed claim form and documents in person at a Medibank store. So from there, you will be contacted on when to begin your treatment. So this is how you can claim for emergency departments on Medibank. Very simple, right? Yes. Thanks for watching.